This is the Xiaomi 15T Pro, and it means business. Packed with the brand new Dimensity 9400 Plus processor, a 144Hz AMOLED screen, and a camera system featuring the legendary Leica partnership, this phone is here to battle for the top spot. Has Xiaomi delivered the complete flagship package we've all been waiting for, or does the hype not hold up in real-world use? That's exactly what we're finding out today. If you're considering investing in a new premium phone, stay tuned. Once the phone is available for global purchase, the link will be right here in the description and the first pinned comment. If you're interested, check it out down below. The 15T Pro maintains a premium and robust feel. It measures 162.7mm in height, 77.9mm in width, and is just 7.96mm thick, weighing in at 210 grams. The body is built with an aluminum frame and a high-rigidity fiberglass back, giving it a very solid in-hand feel. The colors are elegant: black, gray, and a stylish mocha gold. A major highlight here is the IP68 certification against dust and water, meaning it's at the top tier of protection, ensuring complete peace of mind in daily use. Both the front and back are protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Up front, we have a 6.83-inch AMOLED display with ultra-narrow bezels, resulting in an impressive screen-to-body ratio of around 94.5%. The resolution is 2772 by 1280 pixels, which gives it a density of 447 ppi. The key feature is the smoothness. The refresh rate hits a stunning 144 Hz with a touch sampling rate of 480 Hz or an insane 2560 Hz in game turbo mode, making it perfect for gaming. Peak brightness reaches 3200 nits, guaranteeing perfect visibility even in bright sunlight. The panel supports 12-bit color, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision along with TUV Rhineland eye care certifications. And to top it off, the 32-megapixel front camera is under display, freeing up the entire screen for a fully immersive viewing experience. Now, let's get to the heart of the machine. The Xiaomi 15T Pro is powered by the new MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset built on a 3nm process. It features a powerful octa-core configuration with the main Cortex-X925 core clocking up to 3.73 GHz. The GPU is the Immortalis-G925 MC12, and the phone also includes the NPU 890 dedicated to artificial intelligence tasks. In terms of memory, we get 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage options of 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB. There's no microSD slot, but with 1TB, who needs one? And to keep everything cool, Xiaomi included the 3D Ice Loop system, an enhanced cooling system with a vapor chamber and graphite, essential for those intense gaming sessions. Software-wise, the 15T Pro runs on HyperOS out of the box. Xiaomi's system promises a more optimized and fluid experience, as well as full integration with the brand's ecosystem. A big differentiator is the inclusion of several system-level artificial intelligence features like AI writing, AI speech recognition, and even AI search. Depending on your region, it may also feature Google Gemini integration and the circle-to-search function. If the partnership with Leica was already good, it's even better here. The 15T Pro features a premium triple camera setup with Summilux lenses. The main camera is 50 megapixels with the Light Fusion 900 sensor, an f1.62 aperture, and of course, optical image stabilization, OIS. The Super Telephoto is also 50 megapixels and includes OIS, offering 5x optical zoom and a 10x optical level zoom, reaching a digital ultra zoom of 20x or more. And finally, we have the 12-megapixel ultra-wide with a 120-degree field of view. So yes, it has the ultra-wide that some competitors lacked. The system features Leica's photography modes, authentic and vibrant, filters, and Xiaomi Pro Focus for motion and eye tracking. For video, this phone is a beast. It records in 8K at 30 frames per second and 4K up to 120 frames per second. Up front, the 32-megapixel under-display camera records up to 4K at 30 frames per second, which is excellent and a significant step up from flagships that limit the front camera to 1080p. The 15T Pro's battery is 5,500 mAh, a robust capacity to handle the powerful Dimensity 9400 Plus and the 144Hz screen. Xiaomi doesn't disappoint with charging. We get 90-watt wired hypercharge, which, according to Xiaomi, goes from 0 to 100% in about 36 minutes. And the best part, it also supports 50-watt wireless hypercharge, topping up the wireless charge in about 56 minutes. All of this is managed by the Xiaomi Surge Battery Management System and a 64-layer safety protection system, a big plus for the inclusion of wireless charging. In connectivity, it's future-proof. We have full 5G support, dual SIM support, nano SIM and eSIM, and the latest generation Wi-Fi 7. Bluetooth is 6.0 and there's NFC for tap and pay. For audio, it features dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support and high-res wireless certifications. For those who like to control their home devices, the IR Blaster is also included. The Xiaomi 15T Pro was launched globally with competitive pricing. The base version with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage starts at €799, around $930. The 512 GB version costs around €899, and the top-end 1 TB model can go up to €999. Keep in mind that these are launch prices and may vary depending on the market and promotions. The Xiaomi 15T Pro is, without a doubt, a very strong contender for the title of Best Flagship of the Year. The strengths are clear. The Dimensity 9400 Plus processor is a performance monster. The 144Hz AMOLED screen is top tier, and the Leica camera setup with 5x optical zoom and 8K recording is one of the best available. The drawbacks? The lack of a power adapter in the box is always annoying, forcing you to have or buy a 90-watt charger. Overall, Xiaomi succeeded in what they set out to do. A high-performance phone with complete features and a price that, for a flagship at this level, is quite aggressive. So, what do you think of the Xiaomi 15T Pro? Did it win you over, or do you still prefer another brand? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you like this detailed review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next videos. Be sure to check the link in the description for more deals and for our exclusive discount channel on WhatsApp. See you in the next video. Bye.